Hey guys, Solano from Red Moto, and today we are doing a removal of a headlight off of a Lexus LC500. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, go to redmoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where you guys can also purchase this headlight or any exterior part for your vehicle. Let's go ahead and get started on taking off this headlight. So taking off this headlight, guys, you're gonna need a 10mm. So 10mm like that one right there, the socket, an extension, and this is going to be a power tool, but it's a ratchet set power tool. If you guys don't have a power tool like this one, a regular handheld one works also. So first and foremost, we're gonna come down here. There's gonna be a plug right here, and all you do is press down on this lever right here. Let's see, press down on this lever right here, and then this thing comes off. I have to wiggle it a little bit, so it has to be pressed down all the way for it to come down. There we go. So that's gonna be your plug for your headlight. I'm gonna go and show you guys where the bolts are. So it's gonna be one right here, one right here, one right here, and then one right there. So one right here, here, lift up this cover right there, and then on the side. And also, guys, you see where the bumper is, also you have to remove the bumper to get to this part right here, because as you guys can see, there's some hidden screws, and also that plug is in your way. But we do have the video on our Red Moto website or YouTube video that you guys can go ahead and see how we took off the front bumper. So let's go ahead and let's go to the side. So let's go to the side, take off this bolt right here. We'll lift up this cover right here, take off the bolt, take off this bolt, and the last bolt will be right here. Right. So now all you gotta do, you gotta pull up on here and on here. So you guys can see the headlight's already coming off, and then slowly slide it out. Alright guys, that's how you take off a headlight off of a Lexus LC500. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all these questions for you. Thank you guys.